Next in Python, we are going to print series of even number. So we'll go for loop for I, which is our variable, in range, and within bracket I'm giving range, which is starting from 2 and it is going up to 100, and here I'm giving 2. That means from 2 to 100 it is going to print all the numbers with a gap of 2, and here I'm putting colon, then print, and here I'm giving my message even, double quotes close, comma, and here I'm printing my variable, that is I. Save it and run it. So here we can see that it has printed all our even numbers starting from 2 to 100. In the last it has printed 98 and it is starting from 2. Another method for this is, here instead of giving a gap of 2, here I am putting if condition. If a variable is I mod 2 equals to 0, that means whenever we will divide number with 2 and if the remainder is 0, put colon here, print even. Now here we have got indentation problem, so we'll give one space. Save it and run it. So answer is going to be same. That means that it has printed all the numbers, even numbers starting from 2 and up to 90.